Hello, I'm Dr. Tonia Pace, Executive Director of HelpLine. On behalf of the Board of Directors, HelpLine staff, and volunteers, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for attending the HelpLine Open House. We welcome more than 125 guests into our new space, and the response was overwhelmingly positive. We were honored to have a variety of representatives from state, local, and county organizations. Here at 118 Stover, we've created a space that's more than just bricks and mortar. It's a hub for connection and collaboration. With expanded meeting rooms, co-working spaces, and a dedicated wellness room, we've intentionally built an environment where our team can collaborate, be innovative, support each other, and where every individual who walks through our doors can feel welcome, safe, and seen. Special thanks to Jim Resch, Creative Financial Insurance, and the Resch Family Foundation for their generous support of the new HelpLine Wellness Room. To our staff and volunteers, this is for you. Your passion, resilience, and deep commitment to the people we serve are what makes this organization special. You are the heart of HelpLine. And to the community, this space is yours. Whether you're reaching out in crisis, looking for resources, or seeking a volunteer opportunity or a path forward, HelpLine is here. And now we're stronger and more equipped than ever. Within this new space, we're investigating better modes of communication, whether that's through chat or an app. We want to leverage technology such as AI that make resources more readily available. We are looking for innovative ways to reach more students, including train-the-trainer models. We anticipate expanding our services to meet the needs of over 1.5 million Ohioans who don't have access to 211. We want to ensure there are no gaps in services for sexual assault survivors in rural areas. We want to create continuity of care for those needing post-crisis support, treatment, and counseling. We want folks to always have a way to plug in their passion to community needs, with special emphasis on supporting older adults 55 plus. Thank you again for being part of this milestone. Here's to the next chapter of HelpLine and to continuing the work together.